Hello everyone! Today I got great news for all wine lovers because today I'm gonna do amazing recipe with halibut poaching red wine, so stay tuned. And if you're first time here, click the subscribe button down below, so like this you're never gonna miss any of my new video. And now, let's do it! I'm Chef Mike, and today I'm gonna teach you how you can poach halibut in red wine at home with asparagus and leek. But first, I'm gonna show you what we need. Let's check out.
We got here some white asparagus, leek, carrots, shallots, black olives, olive oil, salt and pepper, fresh thyme, red wine, and our beautiful halibut. First of all, we're gonna peel asparagus. And remember that the white asparagus you have to peel really properly, because otherwise it's very hard to eat. And like this, it's ready to cook. We cut some carrots and shallots for our poaching liqueur. This bottom part of leek I'm gonna use for my garnish, and this top I'm gonna clean it a bit and cut in my poaching liqueur as well. Now we get ready our poaching liqueur. We're gonna mix our vegetable with a little bit salt and pepper. Fresh thyme. Cover with red wine and bring it to boil. Now we're gonna cook our asparagus and leek in salty boiling water 5 to 7 minutes, depending how thick is your vegetables. Wine is boiling as well, so we can put slowly our fish. We're gonna take out of the heat and leave 10 to 15 minutes, depending on your fish. So asparagus is cooked, nice and soft. I'm just gonna cut a little bit for my portions and mix with olive oil and salt. I'm gonna cut my leek on quarters And then I put on very hot pan with little bit of olive oil just to give it nice color. You can push it a little bit on the pan, so you're gonna get more space for color. And this is what you want. Don't be scared to burn a little bit the leek, so you can get nice smell. So our fish is nicely poached and it's time to take it out. But be careful guys, because this halibut is super soft. I'm just gonna leave in tin foil so it stays nice and hot. Rest of the wine we're gonna reduce down for our sauce. When it's nicely reduced, we're gonna pass it through the sieve. Don't forget to squeeze all the juices from the vegetables out as well. And now we're just gonna finish with cold butter. And don't be scared to put a lot of butter guys, because you're gonna get nice shiny and sweet sauce. Just melt butter slowly in the hot sauce and that's it. And you end up with nice, thick red wine sauce.
So we got everything ready and now it's time to put on the plate.
We start with our beautiful poached halibut. Cook and burn leek with a little bit oil and salt on the top. White asparagus. Red olives. And I'm gonna finish with few carrot tops. And this is my poached halibut with leek, asparagus, red olives, and amazing red wine sauce. Enjoy!
I hope you enjoyed today's wine recipe guys. Try it at home and let me know in the comment if you like it or not. If you're new on this channel, click the subscribe button, so like this you're never gonna miss any of my new video. Also check out my blog and my Instagram for more fitness tips. I'm gonna leave all the links in the description down below. Have a nice day, I see you soon.